Hey guys, what's up? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. And today I'm with
Colin from HypeGeek. What's up, yo?
Check out this channel. Today we're going to do a double unboxing of the VANS David Bowie sneakers. Boom. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have 3 ongoing giveaways. First up, we have the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 kit. All you guys have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics for this one. We also have the Yeezy power bank. You were there when we shot that video, right? So again, the link to that can be found down below. And lastly, we are giving away a Nike tactical backpack and gym bag.
So, is this what? Where did you buy this?
I bought it in Singapore.
Singapore,
at the Nike employee store.
Alright.
So the links to the giveaways can be found down below. Just check them out. But again, you have to be subscribed. You have to hit the notification bell and you have to follow me on Instagram. But this one we just couldn't pass up.
Yep.
It's a special collection featuring one of the most iconic musicians and artists ever to walk with God's green earth, and that is
David Bowie.
Boom. So for today, we're going to unbox 2 of the sneakers in his, I think, 6 or 5
collection.
6 sneaker collection which dropped recently here in the Philippines. So we have 2 out of the 6, and Colin actually bought them both.
Yes.
So Colin, take it away, man.
All right. So I got here 2 of David Bowie Vans. Let me show you. David Bowie Vans sneakers. Okay. The first one is a Vans era, and it's primarily blue, and it's kind of super weird. Okay. So this one is called the Space Oddity. So if you notice, and if you're a David Bowie fan, you know that the names of the sneakers correspond to the names of the albums, or really popular songs that he has. So even the album cover for this one is pretty much the same.
The polka dots.
The design of this one is pretty much the same as the album cover from the Space Oddity. If you don't know that song, there is Spotify.
Yeah, check it out.
It's really, really good. It's one of the really, really amazing songs. Particularly, I love this. Well, the design is kind of funky and weird for me.
Well, definitely going to turn some heads.
Yes, definitely going to turn some heads. But then that is David Bowie. If you think about David Bowie as a person, he is the type of person that would break the mold of what, people would think like artists should be, right? So he loves to shock people.
And shocking,
right? So this is made from a canvas upper, and this is, I think, vulcanized rubber also for your midsole and your outsole as well. The color is very challenging, and I will admit I'm gonna have a hard time
figuring out
how to style this. But if David Bowie taught me anything, it's to experiment.
Okay, so that's the lesson of the evening.
Don't be afraid to experiment, particularly with colors.
Yeah,
it's not going to harm you.
Agree.
Experiment with colors, right? Okay. So the next one.
How much is this one?
Oh, sorry. This sneaker costs around 4,800 something.
That's the great thing about Vans sneakers, guys. They won't leave a burning hole or a massive debit balance on your account or on your credit card. They're mostly affordable even if they are collaboration sneakers.
Yeah.
So that's the great thing about Vans. So again, that's the first one. This is the David Bowie Space Oddity era sneaker. Right. So we'll get to the second one that Colin was able to pick up. Okay.
So the next one is Vans Old School. So it has a really old school silhouette. Boom, boom.
This is the one that caught my attention. But when I saw this one up close, it was something that I realized I wouldn't rock.
Really?
But when I first saw it, that's the one that I wanted.
Because I felt that this is one of the easiest ones to actually
I'm
wear.
not a fan of the way it changes colors. Show them the sneaker first.
So this is the old school David Bowie sneaker. It's made from pearlized leather. I don't know if the camera is picking it up.
Yeah,
There we go. So it does change a little bit of color when light hits it. The iconic markings here would be the red and blue lightning bolt, which signifies it's one of the iconic styles of David Bowie as well.
His face image with the lightning bolt across his face.
This, I think, is from his Aladdin Sane album. So
again, every shoe is
inspired from an album that he has. In fact, the great thing about what Vans did was they tried to cover everything from when David Bowie started until the very end. The 2016 album is called Black Star, so there is a black shoe that has a black star as well.
Slip on with a star in the middle.
And that is very iconic because after that was released, he passed away. Like a couple of days. I mean, the timing is just like days. So if you're a big fan of David Bowie, if you want to pay tribute, that is a really great sneaker to pick up as well.
Well, David, in all six, if you're like a diehard fan.
That's true. If you're a diehard fan, you kind of have to.
Just like how I bought all the Game of Thrones sneakers.
Yes. I could not buy all 6 because not all of them have my sizes anymore.
Yeah. The thing that I love the most about this, just by holding it in my hand and looking at the box, this one just sells for a little over 5,000 pesos.
Yeah, it's like 5,300.
So again,
or more or less.
So again, the great thing about Vans collaborations is that they're not crazy expensive.
Yeah.
So after coming from doing multiple Off-White unboxings,
this is actually a breath of fresh air.
Very refreshing to talk about sneakers that sell for around 5,000 pesos or $100.
For me, I think the real joy of this is getting a piece of, or at least getting something David Bowie related. I'm not the biggest fan of David Bowie. I mean, I love his songs. I love a lot of his songs. He's one of the most he's also one of the most iconic artists of current century. He's also a very good style icon. If you've watched Zoolander, he was there as well. But yeah, I mean, that's the reason why I gravitated towards Space Oddity. It's one of my favorite David Bowie songs.
Okay, so those are the 2 sneakers that you were able to pick up.
Yep.
There are still 4. Among the 4,
some are still sitting.
Yeah, so if you guys want, this one sold out over at Glorieta.
Yeah.
So, but if you want to check out all the other sneakers in the collection, all you have to do is to drop by Glorieta or UP Town Center.
UP Town Center, yep.
The Vans stores there should be able to carry, or at least if they still have stock of the sneakers from the David Bowie collection. We also saw some shirts.
Yeah,
there was a cap. There was a backpack. So it's an entire capsule collection ranging from the sneakers all the way to the cap. That they have. So again, let me just remind you, we are giving away this Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and the links to the different giveaways can be found down below. And make sure that you also check out Colin's channel, HypeGeeks.
Yep,
HypeGeek, which is now at 590 subscribers. I
didn't check it.
Growing fast. So to everybody who hasn't subscribed to Colin yet, please do subscribe to his channel. So guys, that's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up?
Boom!